If you're encountering the bank not supported error on EstateGuru, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check bank compatibility. Ensure that your bank is listed as a supported bank on EstateGuru's website. If your bank is not on the list, you may need to consider using a different bank account. Step 2. Update app version. Make sure you are using the latest version of the EstateGuru app. Go to your device's app store, check for updates, and install the latest version if available. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve temporary issues. Go to your device settings, find the EstateGuru app, and select the option to clear cache. Step 4. Re-enter bank details. Sometimes re-entering your bank details can fix the error. Go to your account settings in the app, remove your current bank information, and then add it again carefully. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to EstateGuru's customer support. Provide them with details about your problem for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the bank not supported error on EstateGuru. If the problem continues, customer support will be your best resource for a solution.